Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage country chic farmhouse decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage country chic farmhouse decor is a warm, cozy and nostalgic interior style that blends old world charm, rustic farmhouse simplicity and a touch of soft elegance. It feels like stepping into a peaceful countryside home, filled with history, comfort, and personality. What defines vintage country chic farmhouse style? Vintage plus rustic plus elegant mix. First, vintage is antique or aged-looking furniture. Antique like distressed finishes and flower market finds. Next, country or farmhouse is natural, practical, and cozy elements inspired by rural living. Chic, soft, feminine, and slightly refined touches, like light colors and delicate fabrics. It is not too rough, not too fancy, perfectly balanced. Use soft, muted color palette like whites, creams, and soft grays. Use pastel tones like shades green, dusty blue, and blush pink. And faded wood tones. These colors create a calm, airy, and timeless atmosphere. Use distressed and antique furniture like whitewashed or chipped paint finishes, reclaimed old tables, vintage cabinets, dressers, and open shelving. Furniture often looks imperfect, and that is exactly the charm. Uses natural materials like oud, linen, cotton, wicker, and jute, stone, or ceramic accents. Everything feels organic and connected to nature. Uses delicate and cozy textiles like floral prints, gingham, lace, and ruffles. Soft cushions, layered throws, and curtains. These add the chic softness to the rustic base. Use vintage accessories and decor like old clocks, enamel wire, mason jars, antique frames, candles, lanterns. Fresh or jar flowers like lavender or wildflowers. Decor often tells a story, nothing feels mass product. Open and lift and fill. Use open shelves, displaying dishes, cozy nooks and hidden corners, slightly imperfect styling, not overly spaced. It should feel like a home that is lovingly used every day. Overall vibe. Imagine a sunlit kitchen with wooden shelves and floral curtains, a cozy living room with our own sofa and soft blankets, fresh flowers on a rustic table. It is beautiful, romantic, and inviting, like countryside living with a gentle, elegant twist. Vintage country chic farmhouse decor is all about creating a warm, lived-in, and slightly elegant rustic space that feels both nostalgic and comfortable. Core philosophy: what makes it special? This style balances three key elements. First, vintage, old, time-worn, and meaningful pieces. Country, cozy, rural, and handmade feeling. Chic, for soft elegance and light sophistication. It is not just rustic, it is soft and rustic with grace. Materials and texture. Layering is everything. To get the authentic look, mix textures in a state of matching everything. Use distressed wood like edged tables, cabinets, and beams. Soft linens and cotton, like curtains and slip covers. Wicker, rattan, and cane. Use galvanized metal like buckets and trays, ceramic and stoneware. Tip: the charm comes from imperfection. Cheap, patina, faded finishes are desirable. Furniture style, comfort first, beauty second. Furniture should feel like it has a story. Use sleep comfort sofas and armchairs. Farmhouse dining tables, often slightly worn. Vintage cabinets, hutches, or dressers. Mix and match chairs, not perfectly matched sets. Don't overcrowd, leave breathing space for that airy cottage feel. Decorative elements. Where the magic happens. This is where you bring personality. Use antique or vintage finds like clocks, frames, and pictures. Use messengers, enamelware, and old kitchen tools. Floral arrangements like fresh or childlike lavender. Candles and lanterns for a cozy glow. Handmade items like crochet or lace pieces. Display items in small crowded groups, not cluttered pillars. Fabrics and patterns, soft and dramatic, use florals like small faded prints, gingham or checks. Stripes in neutral tones, lace or embroidered details. The things should feel light and breezy, not heavy. Lighting, warm and inviting. Use soft warm bulbs, not harsh white lights. Vintage-style candlelights or pendant lights. Use table lamps with fabric shades. Natural light is key. Keep windows open and airy. When enjoyed, the space should feel calm and peaceful, nostalgic but not outdated, cozy yet elegant, simple but thoughtfully styled. Few styling secrets: mix old plus new. Don't make everything antique. Use trays, baskets, and crates for organization. Add personal touches like family heirlooms and handmade decor. Keep it slightly imperfect. That is the charm. The cheaper design identity. This style is inspired by old European countryside homes like French and English cottages mixed with American farmhouse simplicity, but softened with elegance. Think a French countryside cottage plus a simple rural farmhouse plus a touch of romantic vintage charm. The aged grace principle. The heart of this style is something designers call aged but graceful, not worn out. That means furniture looks weathered but cared for. Fabrics look soft, not torn or dull. Decor feels collected over time, not gently old. Important. Avoid making it look abandoned or too shabby. Furniture placement strategy. Very important. Unlike modern styles, this one is not perfectly symmetrical. To this, slightly off-center arrangement, cozy cluster like chair plus lamp plus small table. Corners styled with purpose like basket plus plant plus stool. Avoid rigged hotel-like layouts, perfect matching sets. Decor, natural lived-in flow. Advanced color layering trick. Instead of just light colors, use layered tones. Base, use warm white walls. Mid-layer, soft, neutral furniture like cream or beige. Accent layer, muted colors like shades and dusty blue. Depth, a small chalk touches like aged oud, black metal. This layering makes the room feel rich, not flat. The power of patina and imperfection. Patina equals the natural aging of materials of a time. Example: slight rust on metal, faded paint on wood, unaged on furniture. These details add authentic character. Pro tip: even new items can be distressed to achieve this look. Styling like a designer. Key secret. Use the rule of three. Group checker items in threes. Like vase plus candle plus small book. Also basket plus folded blanket plus plant. Mix heights and shape. Tall lamp, medium, a vase, low tray or books. This creates visual balance without looking staged. Seasonal flexibility, hidden advantage. This style adapts beautifully across seasons. Spring, use fresh flowers and pastel linens. For summer, use lighter fabrics and more greenery. For autumn, use warm tones, jade flowers and oud accents. For winter, use thicker knits, candles, and cozy layers. You don't need to redesign, just swap small details. Room filling guide. First, kitchen. Use open shelves plus visible dishes, wooden boards, chairs, and soft textiles. Feels welcoming and functional. Living room. Use soft sofa plus layered cushions and firm lighting. Feels cozy and relaxed. Bedroom. Use light bedding plus vintage furniture plus curtains. Feels calm and dramatic. Signature look checklist. If your space has this, you have nailed it. First, light airy color palette. Next, a mix of old and new furniture. Next, soft textiles and gentle patterns. Natural materials, slight imperfection and patina. Cozy, welcoming atmosphere. The emotional story behind the style. This decor style is powerful because it creates a feeling of memory and comfort. A well-designed space should feel like it has history, even if it is newly decorated. It reflects a solo, peaceful lifestyle. It invites people to relax and stay longer. Designers call this emotional layering. Every object feels meaningful, not just decorative. The 70-20-10 rule advanced styling formula. To avoid overdoing the style, follow this balance. First, 70% base. For calm and neutral, use walls, large furniture and floors. Use soft white, creams and natural oud. 20% character. Use vintage or rustic, like distressed furniture, antique decor, own textures and edged finishes. Next, 10% charm, like chic and decorative, with florals, lace, soft colors, and elegant details. This keeps your space from looking too busy or too plain. Authentic fast fake rustic. Important difference. Authentic look. Real wood grain, natural wire, subtle distressing, items that look gently edged. Fake look, overly chipped paint everywhere, too many themed signs, like excessive farmhouse coats. Everything looks artificially old. Less is more, authenticity always wins. Light and airflow design. This style depends heavily on natural light. How to enhance it? Use shade or light curtains. Keep window areas uncluttered. Add mirrors to reflect light. Use light-colored walls and furniture. The space should feel fresh and breathable, not heavy. Nature integration, very important. Nature is not optional, it is essential. Add fresh flowers like roses and wildflowers. Giant arrangements like lavender and wheat. Indoor plants, simple, not tropical heavy. Natural elements like branches or oak benches. This connects the home to countryside living. Focal points, designer tricks. Every room should have one main visual anchor. Examples: a large farmhouse dining table, a vintage cabinet or hut, a cozy fireplace area, a statement mirror or candelier, but the rest of the room around the focal point. Common mistakes to avoid: too many small decoration, looks cluttered, too dark oud, loses the thick softness. Ignoring comfort, a style should feel livable, matching everything removes character. Overusing sign makes thicker, looks trendy, not timeless. Final designer mindset. When decorating, always ask, does this feel warm and welcoming? Does it look soft and slightly edged? Is there a balance between simple and elegant? If yes, you are doing it right. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.